My great-grandfather immigrated here from Hungary and started a used car dealership in upstate New York. We lived down in Florida, so my dad would always take us on road trips to go visit. Back in the day, you would see all these high riders riding on Mickey Thompson tires and wheels, and I just wanted to be like them when I grew up. I learned the basics young, changing my oil, fixing the brakes. Cars are just part of life. Then I got into tech school. I did collision, refinishing, hot rod fabrication. That's when I really learned how to build them from the ground up. I realized I loved vintage trucks at a really young age, so I picked up a Ford F-100 unibody. I fell in love with it, I had to have it, bought it, never looked back. I wanted to be a professional builder, but more than that, I really wanted freedom. Being my own boss would give me the freedom to road trip with my family, just like my dad did with me and my brothers. The perfect combination for any road trip in a classic American truck is a set of Mickeys. There is just something really cool when you see a truck heading your way on a set of Baja Legend MTZs that just blow you away every time. That's not just style, it's legacy. The cool guys back in the day were on Mickeys, and today they still are. There's something powerful about the legacy behind Mickey Thompson. An American story that really speaks to me. Because when you're building classic American trucks, why would you use anything other than Mickeys?